An hour ago, we said that this was going to be a dogfight. But right now, the Blazers seem to be in full control of this battle. And once again, what was the storyline doon sa nakalipas sa second set?
Well, in terms of attack, just ahead by one. But I think really it's the defense of Benil really just working well for them, blocking 3-0. And we know Ateneo is a good blocking team, but Bea De Leon and company just can't get a solid block. And we mentioned it again, errors of Ateneo. 12 this time, 9 for Benil. But basically, Benil was just a more focused team. Ateneo had their struggles with all their hitting errors, and they never recovered.
Ateneo was even ahead at 4-2 doon sa nakalipas na second set. But 9 errors in the first set plus 12 in the second set puts Ateneo in a 2-set hole. And let's see how they will respond. Dahil for the first time this conference, they will be behind by 2 sets laban sa isang kalaban na natalo lang last weekend.
Yeah, but nakita natin so far in this match, Benil really a team that is hungrier for the win, and Ateneo still struggling to find it, to get into the zone.
Yung fluidity hindi pa natin nakikita sa laro ng Eagles all match long.
Yes.
Para naman dito sa Blazers, makikita mo yung cohesion, yung kanilang spirit as a team.
Yes, that well said. Talaga that's
Litaw.
making the difference.
Oo. And this is a very good start for Ateneo here in the third set. Katulad sa simula nila, dun sa second set lamang sila 2-0.
But that's the first solid block, at least in the second set. No blocks na yan. That's a solid block. Good sign for Ateneo.
Over the 2 blockers, done. Going to De Leon. Another good chase by Enclona.
Oh.
Torres check. Enclona itinaas yung bola. Cheng. Oops, free ball para sa Blazers. Chance para kay Gutiliano. Net touch. Forastero. 3-point hole for the Blazers.
Yeah, that's the challenge right now is for the Blazers. I'm talking about the Blazers. You've won the first 2 sets. The challenge right now is to maintain your focus and that morale. Now, we were able to beat them 2 sets. Hindi yung, babawi ng Ateneo. It's more, nananalo na kami.
Ako, lagi kong paniniwala rito, Noreen, wishing and hoping cannot get it done. You have still to do a lot of hard work. And sometimes the hardest part of completing a task is closing out the match with a final set.
That's true.
And Giselle Tan has been attacking relentlessly from the service line. 5 straight points for the lead. The Eagles, early timeout for the Benil Blazers.
Huwag kayong pumayag. Diba? Natural gagalaw yan kasi natalo ng 2 set yan. Huwag kayong papayag na gaganunin kayo ng kalaban nyo. Kailangan makapatay. Maging wise dapat tayo lalo. Hindi tayo nag-iingat. Uy! Hindi ka nag-iingat. Upakan mo ng upakan. Diba? So tara. Isang patay lang muna para makaikot tayo. Tara. Patay kasi.
Some early reminders from Coach Mac at ito yung floater na anggulong-anggulo directed at Janine Navarro. That's a special delivery by Giselle Tan for Janine Navarro. 5 for Giselle Tan and the Lady Eagles. None so far for Ateneo. This time better reception coming from Navarro. Umatake na si Torres. Italiana counters. Inangat ni Ella De Jesus. Pinreball naman ni Joanna Marigina Cheng. Still a save coming from Ella. First point of the Blazers courtesy of Dolorito.
Yeah, so far in this match, Coach Ronnie, I like the attitude of ito si Dolorito, Ostero, Torres. Alam natin sila yung support group for Navarro and Panaga, but they've been playing solid.
Lalo sa depensa.
Oo.
And we talk about defense, you have Rica Enclona, who is the best digger right now sa ating collegiate conference. And we have already crossed the halfway mark ng ating preliminary round.
And Bea De Leon gets another point. That's a good sign. Bea De Leon, a couple of points here in the third set. Could be a wake-up thing for Ateneo.
This is a 30-game, 10-play date preliminary round sa ating collegiate conference before we swing over to the quarterfinals. And these 2 teams, I believe, are already inside the quarterfinals.
Yeah. Sure, Rina, it's a matter of positioning.
Correct.
Because if Benil beats Ateneo, they'll be tied.
Tama yan. If it's Fan Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Only 4 teams will make it to the quarterfinals. We have 12 teams divided into 2 groups. Cheng, Navarro, going to Torres.
Hitting error there by Torres. No first 2 sets, we hardly saw those hitting
Hindi
errors.
nagkakamali, di ba?
Oo. Pero ngayon, you feel, Coach Ronnie, you can feel that Benil is more pressured.
Correct.
No?
Mararamdaman
Ang ano
mo.
wala eh. Parang, okay, even if we're down 2, but Benil's, we need to win this.
At happy birthday, Beadel. Ayan, oh.
Oo.
Niro-roll yung streamer, oh. Yung tarp. Lapsing into a series of errors. Samantalang itong Ateneo with a very fiery start during the 3rd set. Ateneo kasamang Norin down 2 sets as we listen into the Blazers.
Kaya tayo umaatake kasi para makapatay. Walang kalaban-laban, isasabit mo sa hit. Buti sana kung sumi-check ball, walang kalaban-laban. Hindi mo ba naiisip yan? Ha? Hindi mo ba naiisip ang pinaghihirapan ng bawat isa? Tapos pag ikaw ang hangampas, wala lang sa'yo. Ha? Di ba? Tapos kayo naman, puro error, sunod-sunod lang, sunod-sunod. Tayo nagpalayo niyan eh. O tayo din gagawa ng karama. Yan. Bago lang na iikot.
Guys, pag-percent tayo. Pag-percent ha. Pag-percent tayo. Enjoy lang.
Huwag tayong paulit-ulit. Huwag tayong paulit. Yung pag ganyan nilalaro natin, talagang mahihirapan tayo natin. Gawa pa natin ang tama.
Let's go. Tara.
Now na!
Do whatever it takes, Animo.
Let's go to Trisha for her 3rd set update.
Alam niyo, Noreen at Ronnie, Coach Ty rarely uses his words to communicate his message on Ateneo's huddles. Pero kanina pa ulit-ulit niyang sinabi sa kanyang drills na ang lungkot. He was trying to tell everyone na nawalan sila ng sigla sa loob ng court and it noticeably affected their usual game in the past 2 quarters. Pero sabi niya nga, fight and recover, while Beldoc kept reminding her teammates that it's not yet over. Now, despite having several reasons to be happy, Coach Mac reminded the Lady Blazers the same thing Eliza told the Lady Eagles. Hindi pa ito tapos. Now, he was obviously rather disappointed at how they opened the 3rd set and he pleaded for them to bring back their focus. They anticipated naman daw Ateneo's comeback na lalabas sila, pero hindi ibig sabihin na hindi nila ito kayang i-counter. Sabi niya nga, huwag natin sayangin ngayon ang pinagtrabahuhan na natin. Guys?
That was the call of Coach Mac. Huwag sayangin yung pinagtrabahuan, but Marikina coming up with her cleanest hit so far.
Yes, you're right. And that's a good sign for Ateneo. But, you can sense a very desperate coach, Michael Carino. Yung now, come on.
And suddenly, the pressure is on for the Blazers. Lamang ng 2 sets, pero ramdam mo rito, they're becoming tighter and tighter. And Cheng will get a slight rest. Pasok mo na itong si Borrero, another tall setter for the Blazers.
Oo.
The official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League is Axel. Happy birthday, Bea Del. Bea Del in gold. Ba, mula sa iyong pamilya sa Shakey's B-League, happy birthday. De Leon serving para dito sa Lady Eagles. Back set by Borrero.
Oh, good dig.
Ganda ng palaro ni Panaga. Chance ball given up by Marikina. Back set once again by Borrero. Panaga this time converts.
Yun yung narinig natin in the previous sets at Coach Mac wants that running low running Hindi na
Yan yung
bibigay.
running, oo.
Yun. Yung gusto ni Panaga.
Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Magandang frontline dito ng Blazers.
Yes. We keep mentioning that. But pag nandyan si Navarro and Panaga, that's a very solid front line.
Ella De Jesus, first time to play this conference for Ateneo. Borrero going to Navarro. Cross-court covered by De Jesus. From the back. Wow, what an angle coming from Eliza Valdez.
And how she managed, ang layo hinabol na, and how she managed to get into that corner. Wow, she ain't the phenom for nothing.
That's superior control for Eliza Valdez. Now look at the sequence once again. Tignan mo yung angulo. And against a single blocker, nahihirapan talagang ma-check doon si Eliza Valdez.
Saka alam mo, galit na si Eliza.
Ay, oo, tumingiti-ngiti lang yan, pero mainit na yan. Kim Gikeliana for Ateneo, jumps at the net. Marikina beaten by Borrero.
Again, I always say, you know, it's hard to joust against a setter no matter how small they are because ang
Lakas.
upper body strength
Lakas.
nila kakaiba.
Parang mga semento, mga baraso niyan, no rin.
Exactly.
Natotos pa naman eh, di ba? Lagi nakakontract. Panaga, going long. Tan. Tumabaya, goes still alive.
Free ball.
Free ball. Tan once again to Maraginot. Oh, the tip. Maraginot once again. Getting better. Getting more confident.
That's right, and they've already erected an 8-point lead. And that's a good sign really for Coach Ty. Maraginot parang getting her game slowly but surely getting her game back.
Liza Valdez communicating with Coach Ty Bundit. Borrero dumped. And look at the scrappy play of Giselle Tan. Valdez pumalo pa rin. Maski pabagsak na. Tan, inangat yung bola para kay Eliza.
And just like that, Ateneo is a different team. No, that's the Ateneo that we know.
Ultra Fast Fight is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
No substitution.